SAP versus data analytics versus cloud. Which career should you choose? Confused between career options. SAP, data analytics, cloud. All are high demand. But choosing the wrong one can slow your growth. First, understand this: there is no best career. The right choice depends on your background, your interest, your long-term goals. SAP, for business process experts, SAP is ideal if you like finance, supply chain, business operations. You work on ERP systems, business workflows, enterprise solutions. Right pointing finger emoji, best for commerce. MBA, business background. Data analytics, for data-driven thinkers. Data analytics is for those who enjoy numbers, insights, problem solving. You work on data visualization, reports, business insights. Right pointing finger emoji, best for analytical mindset. Math, stats. Cloud, for tech and infrastructure. Cloud is for people interested in servers, architecture, scalable systems. You work on AWS, Azure, cloud platforms, deploying applications, managing infrastructure. Right pointing finger emoji, best for technical, IT background. Key difference: SAP business processes, data analytics, data insights, cloud infrastructure and systems, which has more scope. All three are growing. But SAP stable, enterprise demand, data fast-growing, insights role, cloud high demand, technical depth. Common mistake: choosing based on trend or salary. Without interest, you won't sustain long-term. Smart strategy: choose based on your strengths, your learning interest, your career vision. The final take: don't follow hype. Choose the career that fits you, not the market. Rocket emoji.